Nosy with Isa.
Long time now.
Isa!
Isabel, Bella. And Isabel. Isabella.
Napakasipag naman ni RD, oh.
library.
Dala-dalawa alaga, oh.
Library.
Nasa si Duterte.
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 Hey, go to the library. Yay!
Go to library.
Isa, oh. Looks Mama Mary.
Mama
face.
Mary. She
Mama
looks
Mary.
like Mama Mary.
How about you? What's your face?
My face a monkey
Ma-
like you.
Mama Sisi. Mama Mary, oh.
Mama Sisi. Ito naman. Sino?
Ah, si Duarte.
Hi.
Duarte, how are you? Baby pa kasi yun, eh.
Baby pa yan. Pero kaintindi.
Can I ask you something? What if RD will go back to Philippines? What will you feel? What do you feel? Ah.
Mahihain pa, hindi naman natanong.
What if RD will go back to Philippines to stay longer? What do you feel?
Hindi pa yung magkasalita, nahihiyan.